रहा है।
Meghalaya State BJP unit has constituted a committee to look into the roster system and reservation policy headed by Cabinet Minister A.L. Heg as chairman and other members from the BJP. This was informed by A.L. Heg. The other members of the committee included BJP Meghalaya State President Ernest Mauri, BJP spokesperson M. Kharkrang, H.M. Shangpliang Ferlin, David Karsati, amongst others. Heg said that only a meeting was called with senior BJP leaders and that they have discussed at length but could not come to a conclusion. He further said that they had already constituted a BJP committee on job reservation policy and this committee will discuss the matter, he added.
Headed by me as a chairman, and we have Mr. Ernest Mauri, a president, as a member, Mr. H.M. Shangpliang as a BJP committee on job reservation policy, headed by me as a chairman. We have fixed the meeting. The next meeting will be on 16th. It is Sunday, but no problem because it's a month. And immediately on Sunday, I convene this meeting to discuss on this very, very important